Hello guys, today we'll be looking at how you can perform your first P2P transaction on Bybit, how you can fund your account through P2P transaction. Okay, so let's quickly dive into that. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe, like the videos, and also share the videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's quickly dive into that now. So there are two ways you can use to enter your P2P transactions. So the first way is by tracing through your assets. Okay, if you go through your assets, you're gonna go into I'll click on deposit. If you click on deposit, then you're gonna navigate yourself to this P2P transaction. So when you click on this P2P transaction, it will automatically take you to where you can perform your P2P transactions. Okay, so and the other ways you can use to enter this place is just by coming here to click on to the dashboard to click on P2P. So clicking on the P2P transactions, it will now navigate you straight to where you can perform your P2P transaction. It will bring you straight here to P2P market. So in this place now, you will now make your choice of who you want to trade. After making your choice of who you want to trade with, you will now go ahead to trade with that person. So coming here, you're gonna go into look for who you want to perform your P2P transaction with. So now maybe you have a 30 USD, or you want to purchase 30 USD, okay, or you want to purchase 20 USD minimum. You have to actually look for who exactly is willing to trade with you with this volume, or you have to quickly go to this place to click on search in order for you to search who exactly you want to trade with. Okay, and who exactly has your volume. All right, so you're gonna go to look for somebody that has your amount now that you can actually trade with. So I've seen this particular person now, who can trade with me with my 30 USD. So I'm gonna go to click on buy. So after clicking on buy, I'm gonna go into hold on. So to be at the safer side, you have to come to this place to contact that person if that person is really available. So you can come here and say hi. Are you available to trade? Okay. So if the person is available, you will see that the person will notify you immediately. So after all of this, then you now go back in order for you to make your payment. And this is the time that the person will need to pay you. That is roughly 30 minutes. I'm gonna go back. So if you go back here now, you're gonna go to click on here, which says pay. You're gonna go to click on pay. Okay. If you click on pay, it will bring you to an interface like this, showing the person's name and also the person's account number. Okay, so now you have the person's name, now you have the person's account number. The person's name is Bolariwa Odupe, and the account number is here. The bank is Kuda Microfinance Bank, and this is your order number. So you just have to come to this place to click on copy account number. Then you take it to your app in order to make payment to this person. So after you taking it to your app, make sure the name you are seeing here is exactly the name that is appearing on the bank. Otherwise, do not pay, or your money will be lost. So let's quickly go to my app so that I can pay this person the sum of 30,000 naira. So as you can see, I'm paying this person 30,000 naira. So the moment I make this payment, all I just need to do now is to share the receipt. I'm not going to click on get receipt. So the moment I click on get receipt, I'm going to screenshot this receipt. Okay, I will screenshot this receipt. Okay, I'll click on share in order for me to screenshot this receipt. So the moment I screenshot this receipt now, I will come back here. So after coming back here, I'll now click on payments completed. Okay, payments completed. That's what I'll just click. So after click on payments completed, I will just need to upload this receipt of mine that I have taken from where I made the payment. Upload the receipt. So the moment I upload the receipt, I'm going to click on these two, I understand, then click on confirm. So the moment I click on confirm now, this person will now be notified that yes, I have made a payment for this transaction. And do not forget, never click on cancel. Never ever click on cancel, because the moment you click on cancel, your money will be gone, okay, and the person will not be held responsible. Okay, so you're going to click on here now, where you can see the contact. You can see that your receipts have been uploaded to this person, and you can see that the person has been notified that you have completed the payment. Please await for the seller to release the coin to you. So now we're going to wait patiently in order for the seller to release the coin to us. Okay, so let's wait patiently, and you can see the time is counting down. It's still having, the person is still having 9 minutes. Okay, okay, now as you can see, this person has released the coin to us. You can see I've released 19.7990 USD, which is roughly 20 USD I have received from this particular person. So this is exactly the way you can use to perform your first P2P transactions on Bybit. So thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the end. If you do have any question, please drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.